Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know that YouTube announced a new feature for web developers? So if you are a web developer, so this video is for you. So let's take eye on it. So this is the YouTube channel where I'm logged in from the simple account. So this is displaying like this. But if I log in from the developer account, so how it look like? So let's go here, and here I'm logged in as a developer account. So it's suggesting me the developer related videos. So if you are a Python developer, so it will display like Python videos, and if you are a web developer, so it will display as JavaScript and Tailwind CSS like this, right? And it's also providing us a facility of you can share directly your video from this one, and you can also add this into watch later. So this share option is available in the YouTube your developer YouTube. So if I go here and click on this, so there is no share button here. So it's mean that it's specially added for web developers and other developers who are developing some software. So you can click on this and you can instantly play it here, right? So it's totally upon you. So here you can't play this. So when you click on this, so it will open a full new page and then reload the YouTube video. So this is totally for the developers. So let me tell you that I'm kidding with you. So this is the basically YouTube clone. So someone is clone of YouTube. So I forgot that who one is created. So I download it from his GitHub repository, and sorry guy, if you are watching my video, please share your GitHub repository, so I will add your name in the hashtag and also mention your GitHub repository. So I'm very sorry for that, so I forgot it. Okay, so this one is created a very good clone. So let's go here. So this is the not this one. Let me go to the sign up page. So this one is not little bit line. So let's go here, and this is the login page, and now let's take eye on this one. So it's created similar as YouTube. So it's only for single video, so it's not properly aligned. I think my device size is different, that's why it's displaying like this. So it's not complete responsive. This page is not complete responsive. Let's click on this, so you can play this video as YouTube. So that's great. So let me pause this one and go to the next music page. So this one is a music page. Okay, that's great. But there is some issues according to the responsiveness, but that's okay. Okay, this page is also created nice, and let's go here, and this is the upload page where you can upload your video by selecting some file, and then this is the next one. So next one is this one where you can set your title, description and thumbnail, and select your playlist, and then you can choose the option no kids and click on this upload, so it will upload your video. Okay, so next this is displaying the explore, and then this one is showing the trending videos on the YouTube, and this one is displaying the channel detail, how many subscribers you have, subscribe button, and a background image. So let me pick up the mic. Okay, sorry guys, someone is calling me, that's why I paused the video. So this one is the one, and this one is displaying the playlist, not playlist, it's displaying us page where you can go to the YouTube, customize your videos. So this one is YouTube Studio. Okay, that's great. So please rate this. You can't rate this because I forgot the repository. So if you need this project clone, so I will add the link in the description so you can get this project. So subscribe the YouTube channel for Laravel tips and tricks. So I'm shooting the videos almost daily. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.